When I look at a child or when I think of childhood, I see a green space that can be left wild and develop how it wants. I have worked in early childhood for years and began Green Space as primarily a professional development company, and the underlying foundation of our work was play-based and child-led. Play Studio came from that as a way to help parents understand play, as a way to help new parents embrace what infant-led play looks like, and also to show child care centers how it looks in real life. Once we got into the work of building natural play spaces, we wanted to show what it looked like in a licensed child care center. We're building playgrounds, all over the state for all kinds of different programs that are letting go of the idea of a pole and platform play system. I think when we give children the opportunity to play and be uninterrupted by adult agendas, then what we're looking at is a child who is able to build resilience, to support curiosity, who's a wholly developed person.
We encourage teachers to get the children outdoors, to make nature learning and nature play integral to the classroom environment, to not even intervene in that playing process, to observe children. Through that observation, then we know what to bring into curriculum based on the children's needs that we have before us today.
That freedom of play engages their brains and their bodies. They will find what engages them.
I think there is a real appetite and comfort now with outdoors being a place we can also learn.
The ideas that she has to bring Green Space to life, that has been years in the making.
I don't think I set out to be a nature advocate. I just set out to be a childhood advocate. Along that journey, those two things became inseparable.
It's the first time I made it run.
There's just fewer reasons to say no or wait or slow down when you're outside. Children hear that all day long, and being outside is a place where they can trust their world. It's such an honor to be recognized by Texas Children in Nature Network because they know what they're talking about. And I feel like that even though Green Space has been learning as we go, it's very validating to see that we're all on the same path.